right at some point. As I've mentioned in the other video, we're taking on some lab space. So here we go. Not much. It really isn't much, but you have to bear in mind that we've got other offices and we don't need the expense. What we did need is somewhere quiet to start filming videos, to set up as a lab, and just where we're not going to get bothered all the time. So this is basically going to be our electronic communication lab, and where we'll store some of our event kit. So, you know, we don't need a huge amount of space. We need to look at a few things in here. I mean, that's pretty much it in terms of power. There's another one over there. So we need to do stuff like that. We need to get the benches in. I've already got the benches, but they need assembling. And that's pretty much the way it will go. A lot of the stuff we do, we get asked a lot, how did you do it? A lot of the IP phone stuff, we buy a lot of refurbished IP phones that are locked. We unlock them. And there's bits and bobs around how it's done, but no one's really got videos of a lot of it. So the hope is to try and get some of this stuff documented. So yeah, that's taken me, what, 30 seconds to show you around. We're going to need to do something about the lighting because, well, let's just face it, that's really not good. That's not work light. So we'll get some nice LEDs in there. I'm going to need my coffee supply, so we're going to need to do something about a fridge and hot water in there. I think we've got sockets, yep. So I've got a lot of furniture assembled. We've got to move those because those are in the wrong place. They need to be there. And what I'll probably do is actually build racking in to use this space so we can come up. Most of the racking I've got already is built to take the really useful boxes. We'll probably stick with that just because it works. My desk will be there, benches will run down there, shelves across the top, and there we go. Oh, we've got the comms rack to come down, which will probably live in there. So thanks for watching. I know it's a boring video of me just walking around a room and talking. The other video, which I probably haven't uploaded yet, ain't much better, but we've all got to start somewhere, and I thought it would be nice for you to actually see the journey from the start. The other offices you're probably never going to see, mainly because they're combined with my wife's business and they're also part of our living space as well. So, you know, we don't really need to cover that, but we should do a bit down here, and hopefully some of you will learn something, some of you will join in, and obviously some of the projects we work on are quite exciting for us and quite relevant. For example, we should hopefully see some of you at Great Dorset Steam Fair this year. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm rabbiting on now, and hopefully you'll join us again soon.